Hi there, thank you for purchasing Style Edition banners. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you what's inside the pack, how you can use the banners, and how you can use the social media cheat sheet that we made for you. So let's get started. When you download the file, here is what you're going to get. You'll get 3 PSD files and 1 PDF file containing fonts and images we were using, as well as the video tutorial you are watching right now. So if you open up the PDF file, you will see a list of free Google fonts we were using. In order for everything to work, you will have to download these fonts. To do that, just click these links, download the fonts, and install them the regular way like you usually do on your system. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see a list of free CC0 images we were using from these sites, as well as our own website, webdonut.net. So I'm going to close this file. So you will have to install the fonts in order for everything to work properly. So there are two files, banners 1 and banners 2, each containing 40 different banners. And for both of them, if I do Command H or Control H, you will see there is a white layer on top. Just delete this layer, like it says right here. Go to a layer panel on the right side and hit delete on your keyboard. And do that for the other file as well. We have to do this in order for the file size to remain small. I don't know why, but for some reason if you put a completely white layer on top of everything, it reduces the file size of your Photoshop files by half. So there is a little of a tip for you. And if we zoom in a little bit closer on the files, as you can see, they are very high resolution, 685 by 800. And if I do Control H or Command H, you will see a grid showing up. This is a 12-column grid web designers usually use, and every single banner is 6-column wide. So if you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column. We did this in order for the highest possible quality, but you can resize them and make them bigger or smaller, wider or taller. It's up to you. So every single blog and website on the internet has its own size. The idea behind this product is we made them out of shape layers and fully editable text, so it won't lose quality. It doesn't matter how much you resize them and to how big or small. Let me walk you through the structure of both banners 1 and banners 2. Every single banner is labeled by number right here in the layers panel on your right, starting from number 1 and going all the way down to number 40, both for banners 1 and banners 2. In order for you to select a banner you like, you'll have to click the Move tool. To do that, press V on your keyboard or just click here. When you select the banner you want, go to the layers panel on your right, click this little arrow to open it up. You can see trending folder, what to wear folder, IMG and BG. IMG stands for image and BG stands for background. So every single banner in this product is named like this. So every background is called BG and every image is called IMG. It's shorter and web designers like it that way, so that's why we did it. When you click the trending folder and open it up, you will see a trending text and BG. So if you click T on your keyboard or click right here, select the text, go Control A to select it all, and then you can click then you can type whatever you want. For example, now let me do Control H to remove the grid so you can see what I'm doing and zoom a little bit more. Then you want to do Control click on the BG, press V again for the move tool, go up here, click this middle one and this middle one. What this does is position the text both horizontally and vertically in the middle. Then click Ctrl D to deselect everything. And because this is a shape layer, every single background is made from shape layers, you can just double click it and select the color you want. Or with the eyedropper tool, just click this skirt she's wearing, press OK, and that's it. You change the color. If you want to make a custom size for your website, what you need to do is go up here to File, New, and then let's say yours is, I don't know, 800 by 800. Press OK, double click this layer to unlock it, and select some other banner, let's say this one. Just drag it and drop it right here. Now what you need to do is click Control, hold it and click in this background layer right here. Press V on your keyboard with the folders selected, click here and here to position it in the middle. Now this image is a little bit too small for this space, as you can see, with white edges on each side. What you can do is open the folder, click the image, press V on your keyboard and do Ctrl H. If you don't see these selectors, click on the corner, hold Shift and drag, or do Ctrl Z to undo that. What you need to do is click the image right here in the layers panel, hold Shift, Alt and click in one of the corners. What this does is it will make image bigger evenly. Now press this check mark right here, and that's it. It's done. Now what you can do is go to File, Save As, and choose the location that you want to save this image to. That's it. It's that simple. Now if you want to replace the image, just click Delete, go File, Open, find a new image that you want to replace it with, go Open, click, drag, drop, and now position the image however you like. If the image is too big, hold Control Alt Space, or just go up here to, let me just do check, go up here to Zoom tool and unzoom or zoom. Anyway, press V, click here, and again Shift, Alt, click and drag. Now just position it however you like. After you're done, click Ctrl 0, and that's it. You have your new banner. Now these frames are made using paths. So as you can see here on your layers panel, it's called frame. You can press A on your keyboard or go right here to this arrow, and you can see controls up here. Now because it's a stroke, 1 point is a thickness of the stroke. So if I do 3 points, for example, press enter or return, you can see that the thickness of the stroke has changed. Now I will go Ctrl Z to go back. You can change the color of the stroke by clicking here, then here, and select the color you like, or paste your hex code if you have it. And if you want to fill it, so at the moment this is empty and it only has a stroke. So again press A, go up here to fill, click again and select the color. In this example we'll use white, press OK. Now we cannot see the text, we'll have to press T on the keyboard, click the text, go Ctrl A to select it all, Now we're using the color 323232 and press OK, and that's it. Or you can, for example, select the color of his suit and then press OK again. So as you can see, it's very easy to work with these banners. Now only thing left for you to do is to save. So go up here to File, Save As, choose the location that you want to save and save. That's it. Now the only thing that's left for me to show you is the social media cheat sheet. Just double click the file to open it up. And as you can see, we made a cheat sheet for every major social network except for LinkedIn. We use the recommended dimensions from their website. So if we take Facebook, for example, there are 3 smart objects inside. Just double click the smart object you want and delete the text. Now you have a space where you can paste the banner you choose and save it, and that's it. Now there is a problem, because if you go up here to image size, all of these images are typically quite small. So this one is 504 by 504, which basically means when you save it, you won't have much quality. So what you can do is go double of the size in question. Now 1008 for this one, and just scale it up. What this does is gives you more space and therefore more quality when you save the image, and it still retains the recommended aspect ratio of the chosen social image. Now you have to choose a banner. Let's take this one, just paste it inside, click Control, click here, V, go up here to middle, now to middle. Now what you need is scale it up. So hold Shift, Alt and click, scale it all the way up, right here for example. Now what you can do is just reduce the size of the frame. Go up here to text, select text, and then click Control, click, and again Shift, Alt, click, and just reduce the size, and that's it. Now what you need to do is go up here to File, Save As, and choose the location of where you want to save your image, and you're ready. That's it. It's that simple. Thanks again for purchasing, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, contact us through our shop, and until next time, have a sweet day.